am Dr. Sherry, and we are ready to get started. Let's start with our intro. Here we go. Hi, you guys. All right, listen, I am Dr. Sherry. I am your multi entrepreneur where I teach you about real estate, about credit, about business and life. And today we're specifically are going to talk about discount points. All right. So now why am I talking about discount points? I am talking about discount points today because that is the part of the test that everybody messes up on. So for those who don't know, I have my own real estate school. It's called Tri-State Real Estate School, and you can get to it at www.tsreschool.com. There you can do self-paced courses, right? You can do live courses with us, even courses via Zoom, all right? You can get information and education in appraising. If you want to be a mortgage lender, you can get your coursework there. Even home inspection. Everything can be done online at our school. In addition to all of that, we provide continuing education if you're in real estate. But for those who are listening in today, all right, you are probably asking yourself, I need help doing discount points. On my tests, they keep giving me discount points over and over and over again, and I don't understand the question, and they keep rearranging the question, and I don't get it. Well, we're going to help you with that today. And I'm going to tell you guys, talking to you about it today, I'm not even going to need a whiteboard. I'm not going to need a piece of paper. I'm not going to need a pen. Only thing I need you to do is just listen to me. Right? And when you listen to me and understanding discount points, all of this is going to be very, very, very simplified. So let's get started. First of all, what are discount points? Let's understand very clearly what they are. All right. Only thing discount points are is they are actually points, okay, that come off of your interest rate. Okay, so that means your interest rate is decreased. Your interest rate is discounted. All right, that's all that means. It's money that's coming off of that interest rate. So if the interest rate is 7% and you buy discount points, you could possibly have a 6.75% interest rate. That's all they're talking about. Now, I'm going to give you some key points here. And these key points and understanding the key points are going to narrow all of this down for you. All right. So the first key point to know is that in your problem, in your real estate exam problem that's talking about discount points, do understand the only thing you need to understand first is that discount points only deal with the loan amount. The loan amount. It is not on the sale of the house. It's not on the purchase price of the house. Whatever they bought for the house has nothing to do with it. So let me give you an example. Let's just say the problem says that the house was purchased for $300,000 and they had a loan for $250,000. The only number I need to be concerned with is the $250,000. I do not need to concern myself with the purchase price of the house. That's the first area that we make a mistake. I told you I'm not going to need any pencil and paper for this, okay? That's the first area right there. Understand discount points, the only number you're concerned with is how much they got for a loan, right? Because discount points is between the lender and the purchaser of the house. So the only relationship I have with a lender is dealing with the loan. That's it, right? The relationship I have with the lender. Oh, listen to Siri. The relationship I have with the lender is what I got for the loan. That's my relationship. So that's why the purchase price doesn't matter. How much the loan is, that's what matters. So that's the first point. Understand that the number I'm dealing with is the amount that I got for the loan. That's the first thing. The next thing you need to understand is when I have the loan amount, okay? The loan amount is going to tell me how much I'm going to purchase for the discount point. So let me give you an example. And using that same example we just used earlier. The purchase price of the house was $300,000. The loan was $250,000. Each discount point is 1% of the loan. So in that situation, that scenario, and that example I just gave to you, the loan was $250,000. Each discount point is 1% of the loan. Well, how do I write 1% in a decimal? 0.01. So I'm going to take 0.01 and I'm going to multiply that by the loan amount. So in that example I just gave you, $250,000 times 0.01 gives me how much? I hear you out there, right? $2,500. So for each discount point, I am paying $2,500. So on the problem that I gave you earlier, the house was purchased for $300,000. The loan on the house was $250,000, and the buyer purchased 2 discount points. So if the buyer purchased 2 discount points, how much are those discount points going to cost? I heard you. That's right. So if one discount point is $2,500, 2 discount points is going to be $5,000. Now, on the closing statement, this is very important. So I need you to really understand this. On the closing statement, all right, the discount points are going to be noted as prepaid interest. Prepaid interest. That's how it is notated on that closing disclosure. All right. So if you don't know about closing disclosures, then you need to join my tutoring. So that pretty much helps you understand discount points and kind of breaking through, not really understanding, well, what is discount points? Who is responsible for discount points? What am I supposed to do with it? That's all you're supposed to do. So join me next time when we talk about the lender's yield. I tutor every Wednesday at 7:30 p.m., 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to join us, we tutor on the national portion of the test. Go to www.tsreschool.com, go to tutoring, and we do our tutoring in 6 sessions, all right? Very easy tutoring. I'm telling you, I break it all the way down for you, just like I broke down today on discount points. I look forward to you guys joining us, okay? Until next time, bye-bye. Didn't think discount points were going to be that easy, did you? Bye.